Good afternoon. Is everyone excited to be here? I'm Karen Snow, Global Head of Listings here at Nasdaq, and it's my great pleasure to welcome Amkor Technology CEO Giel Rutten to MarketSite. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to Amkor's management team, employees, and all our distinguished guests. We're excited that you could all join us right here at the crossroads of the world in Times Square as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Since its inception in 1968, Amkor has been a pioneer in outsourced semiconductor package and test services. And over the last 5.5 decades, the company has significantly scaled their business and their financial profile, forming partnerships with the world's foremost semiconductor companies, foundries, and electronic OEMs. Amkor's operational base includes production facilities, product development centers, and sales and support offices in key electronics manufacturing regions in Asia, Europe, and the US. And if you're a shareholder of Amkor, you know that over the last 5 years, you've been richly rewarded with shares up over 200%. In addition, to Amkor's great success, there are even 2 more milestones to celebrate today. This year, Amkor commemorates the company's 55th anniversary and their 25th listing anniversary on Nasdaq. Congratulations. Giel, we know this is a team effort, so congratulations to you and your entire team on all that you've achieved together. Nasdaq is exceptionally proud to be your partner, and we look forward to supporting your continued success and growth as a Nasdaq-listed company. Now, please join me in welcoming your CEO, Giel Rutten, for further remarks.
Karen, thanks for the introduction and good afternoon to everyone. It's a pleasure and an honor to be here in New York to ring the Nasdaq Closing Bell in celebration of Amkor's legacy and success. Today we celebrate 2 significant milestones: our 55th anniversary and our 25th anniversary as a publicly listed company. 55 years ago, Amkor's founder, James Kim, pioneered the outsourced semiconductor assembly and test business anchored on core values of reliability and trust. Over the past 5 decades, Amkor has continued to invest in a diversified, large-scale manufacturing base to support a secure and reliable global semiconductor supply chain, and has cultivated long-standing partnerships with our customers. With its commitment to R&D and innovation, Amkor built a technology leadership in advanced packaging for areas like artificial intelligence, electrical vehicles, 5G, and IoT. Amkor global team maintains the commitment of our founders to the core values of reliability and trust. And I thank all our 30,000 team members worldwide for the hard work and dedication that made this milestone anniversary and achievement possible. Karen, I thank you and the entire Nasdaq team as well for hosting us today and for the partnership Nasdaq has provided since our IPO in 1998. As we celebrate our 25th year as a publicly traded company. The past 55 years has been exciting for Amkor, but the best is yet to come. Thank you.
Just to commemorate today, congratulations, we're thrilled to have you.
Thanks, Karen.